Ladies, guys fall in love with women that they invest into. So in today's video, I'm gonna share with you 3 ways on how to get a man invest into you. My name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women relationship secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos twice a week, which is usually Wednesdays and Sundays. And if you would like to hear does my advice actually work from the high-value women themselves, check out the link right here. Please also share the results. It would be awesome to see your high value percentage from that test. But just before I share with you the 3 ways that guys invest in women that they love, adore, and cherish, let me share with you ladies what makes a man invest into you. Because this is the first most important thing. When you go on that date, and you show your value, worth, self-respect by behaving the high-value way, he notices that when he categorizes you as easy or a woman of high value, right? And then depending on what he wants or needs at this time, he will start to treat you accordingly. So if, for example, he is looking not for a girlfriend, if he's just looking for a little fling or somebody to take advantage of, very likely that he will just automatically drop off because he'll be like, you know what, I don't want to invest into anyone at the moment. I just want to have fun. This girl is not right for me at this time being. Maybe I'll get back to her in the future, but right now she's not right for me. If, however, he is a man who is looking for something more serious and would like to have a girlfriend, and if you're showing your high value characteristics on that date, this is when he will start to invest into you, as he will categorize you as a high value woman. When a guy categorizes you as a high value woman and he sees your worth, your value, your self-respect, self-love, you being a challenge, and he sees that you are worthy of his investment into you, these are the 3 ways that he will invest into you. The first way is he will spend time with you. So he will see you once, twice, 3 times a week, and he will want to spend time with you to get to know you. And if he really likes you, he will start to prolong the dates because he will enjoy your company that much. So for some people, investment of time, they could see it as it's, let's say, not a very big investment. However, it really depends on a person that you're dating. If you're dating a guy who has a lot of time and who's not doing much with his life, so he's always free, right? Time may not be a very big investment. However, if you're dating a guy who is always busy, who's really focused, who's really goal-oriented, time will be a huge investment from his side because he could do with that time that he's spending with you so much more. So just because he's spending lots and lots time with you, sometimes the relationship can fizzle because it becomes quantity over quality. Quality is always better than quantity. Quantity makes you an open book. When you spend too much time together, you become an open book. It can get too boring too quick. So ladies, remember, quality is always a winner. Less is more. Second way on how a man will try invest into a woman is money. So if he really likes you and he takes you on a date, he himself will want to pay because he will want to show you that he really likes you. He will want to impress you. Okay, if he doesn't really like you and he doesn't see your value as much, or he's actually really stingy, he will split the bill 50-50. But then, hey, You know, like we like guys who like us. What's the point otherwise, right? And the third way on how a man will invest into you, he will go out of his way to take that star from the sky to you, right? I mean, you know, I'm joking, but he will go out of his way to impress you, to please you, to do what you like him to do. This is, ladies, actually how you can test a guy, how much he likes you, and is he at that point that he's willing to invest into you. So sometimes you could test him by asking him for a favor. However, with favors, try not to overdo it. Don't be like, oh, get me this, get me this, get me that. That is a bit too demanding and too needy. And ladies, it's really important for a man invest into a woman, because this is how he bonds to a woman. A good comparison is, you know, ladies, when you put money into bank, you appreciate the bank, right? Like you appreciate the bank, you value the bank. The bank has all your money, right? So if you are a bank and he keeps investing into you, it's going to be very difficult to let this bank go. But if he is not investing into you and he's not putting any money, any energy, and no time, he's not going out of his way to please you, it's going to be very easy to let go of the bank, to break up with the bank, because you have not invested anything in it. So it's easy to let go of. You're just not gonna get any heavy feelings after. This is why, ladies, showing up last minute at his place with a booty call and a Uber delivery does not work, as there is zero investment from his side. So for him, it would be very easy to let that go, because he has never done anything for that girl anyway. So ladies, if you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? Check out my game package, which I have for sale down in my video description below. I'm sharing in that game package all the games that guys do not want you to know about. So you girls have the knowledge, feel safe, and do not fall into their trap. Don't forget to take my Are You High Value or Low Value Woman test, and you can post your results in the comments. Share it with the other ladies if you like. Join Greta's High Value Woman School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be a woman of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is private. It's called Ladies Relationship Coach. And for one-on-one or group coaching, please book me through my website, which is called Ladies Relationship Coach, and get in touch with me over WhatsApp, as that is where I coach. So thank you for watching, my queens. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and kisses from Manchester.